Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find system management. Then let's tap on backup and restore, and here we've got our Google server, so just tap on backup. And before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend using Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges because of the backup. So let's tap on next and tap on add account. Okay, verify yourself, so use your screen lock. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and tap on next. Just give me a second for the verification. And now we need to decide who's going to use this device, so either you or your child. Just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, but for some reason we cannot really choose the photos and videos, at least in my case. I'm not sure what's going on, but usually you can pick both. So I'll pick other device data, tap on manage backup, and now let's tap on other device data. And here, as you can see, we've got some further details about our account. So for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings right here, but I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and now your device is backing up the data. Of course, you need to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.